Altitude, the height of a triangle that makes a 90-degree angle with the base of the triangle. Arc, part of the circumference made by a wedge of a circle. Circumference, the distance around the circle, equivalent to the perimeter of a circle. Integer, any real number that doesn't have fractions or decimals, including 0 and all negative whole numbers. Isosceles, a triangle with at least two sides and two angles congruent. Note that isosceles triangles can be acute, right, or obtuse. Median, the middle number when the numbers are in order. For example, 4 is the median of 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6 because it is the middle number. Midpoint, the point exactly halfway between two other points. Minimum, the lowest y value of a graph. Mode, the most frequently listed number. For example, 6 is the mode of 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, because it is the number that shows up most often. Note that it does not have to be in the middle. Parallel lines that don't intersect because they have the same slope. Pentagon, a five-sided polygon. Perpendicular, lines that have slopes that are negative reciprocals of each other. Radius, the distance from any point on the circle to the center. Scalene, a triangle with all different sides and angles. Symmetric, the same on one side as it is on the other. Bisect, bisect means cuts into two equal segments or angles. Chord, a chord joins any 2 points on a circle. It cuts across the circle. Note that the diameter is the longest chord. Domain, all of the possible values of a graph. Exterior angle, the angle formed by extending one of the sides of a polygon. Geometric sequence. In a geometric sequence, each term comes from multiplying the previous term by a fixed number. Hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the longest side of a right triangle, and only a right triangle. It is opposite the right angle and can be found period, the distance a wave travels before it repeats its pattern range. All of the possible y values of a graph.